And how do you think this has benefited the student? If you could tell us a little bit about that.
So, majorly benefit in this, the student majorly benefited in this manner that because his basics were a bit weak, so he got that efforts, like we had to give him extra videos, extra pre-learnings for the basics. So he got that confidence. So this student is Muhammad. So majorly he did not have that basics cleared. So we arranged extra sessions for him, and then we gave him the basics videos. So that very thing gave him confidence to actually go for FR exam. Because initially when he started studying, he was like, I don't think so I'll be able to complete ACCA, because there are like 9 papers and I'm not even able to do one paper over here. So to gain that confidence, I wanted him that he start studying daily, he start giving few tests, and he start scoring well in those tests. So that was very important. If you score well in few tests, then you gain that confidence to give mocks.
Can you tell us a bit of the positive results that you saw? And can you also tell us how does it feel for you when you see that someone that you have spent time with, someone that you've helped, how does it feel when you see one of your students do well or to improve in their careers? Yeah.
So the positive result, one was that he cleared his FR, so that was actually very good. And secondly, he cleared it with like 60 marks, so which is very good for the first attempt of ACCA, especially for someone who's not done a knowledge level base, or who's not cleared his BCom also, like who's not done BCom normal also. So and secondly, of course, I was very happy because we were working together, and I was waiting for his result, so I called him up on the result day. I was like, okay, what is the result? Because I have also been waiting for this day. And by then he had started his preparation for the next subject also. So it helped him a lot in gaining that confidence that he will be able to clear the next paper.
So that was just one student who went from knowing absolutely nothing to finding a solid footing in the world of finance. And guess what? Not just them, but we are also solving thousands of queries for students on a regular basis. So if you want to know more such stories, make sure to stay tuned with the series and don't forget to follow Zell Education right now.